Welcome to online class. I hope yesterday you followed the video lecture and you understand well. Yesterday we discussed the reduction of order method. Reduction of order method. In that one, suppose the differential equation of in this form and one solution is given, that is y1 of x. Yesterday we proved this one. Y1 of x is given. How to find the second one, y2 of x? How to find the solution for solution y2 of x by using y1 of x? How to find it? Y2 of x is equal to y1 of x into integration u of x dx. Then we find the u of x. In the last class we derived the formula for u of x. What is it? U is equal to e power minus integration f1 of x by f2 of x divided by y1 of square. Y1 square is the solution which is given in the formula. Okay, and f1 f2 are the coefficients of differential equations of y double dash and y dash. Okay. By based on this formula, today we are going to solve some more problem. If time permits, we also discuss the Cauchy-Euler equations also. Okay. Now, first question is solve x square y double dash minus x y dash plus y is equal to 0 given y1 is equal to x and find the other solution. When how to find a differential equation, we have to solve in reduction of order means definitely he will give one solution like y1. Then we will find the another one. Okay, we will find another linear independent solution. Okay, that means we are not finding any solution here. Y1 of x means y another solution. Y1 is equal to 2x is also solution, but x and 2x are not linear independent. So we are finding another linear independent solution. Okay. First, we compare with this problem with virgin means general standard form. That is f2 of x into y double dash plus f1 of x into y dash plus f0 of x y is equal to 0. If you compare with f2 of x is equal to x square, f1 of x is equal to minus x, f0 of x is equal to 1. Generally, we don't use f0 of x here in the formula. Okay. And the solution which he has given in the problem is y1 of x is equal to x. Then the formula for u of x is u of x is equal to e power minus integration f1 of x by f2 of x dx by y1 whole square. Y1 means the solution which he has given in the formula. E power minus f1 of x value is minus x by x square. If you cancel x and numerator and denominator, it becomes minus minus plus e power plus integration 1 by x dx by x square. So for convenient, I have written e is equal to ln of x by x square. Ln of e power ln of x means I can interchange x and e here. X power ln e by x square. Ln e means 1. X power 1 by total divided by x square, and this value is 1 by x. So our solution y2 is equal to y1 into integration u of x dx. So y1 is equal to x which he has given. Integration u of x means what we have found 1 by x dx. So y is equal to, what is our solution? General solution y is equal to c1 first solution, c2 into another solution. C1 first solution is x and c2 into another solution. What we found just now is x ln x. So the combination with constants will be our solution. And remember here x and xn log x are ln x are linear independent solutions. Okay. Now here one more problem by using reduction of order. This is slightly different than the first one. Okay. Okay, no, it's the same. The next question will be different than the first one. Okay, here, this is the exercise question in your prescribed book. 2x square plus 1 into y double dash minus 4x y dash plus 4y is equal to 0 and y1 is equal to x. Here also the same solution like the previous one. Y1 is equal to, he has given x. So if we compare with the standard form, f2 of x is coefficient of y double dash, that is 2x square plus 1. f1 of x is coefficient of y dash, that is minus 4x. f0 of x, no, we don't need. And y2 is equal to y1 into integration of u of x. U of x is equal to e power minus integration f1 of x by f2 of x dx by y1 square. That is equal to e power minus f1 of x is minus 4x, f2 of x is 2x square plus 1 dx. Here minus and minus, it becomes plus. See here, observe the integration. Here 4x is integration of 2x square plus differentiation of 2x square plus 1. That is in the form of, here I have written integration f dash by f. Here it is the integration, it is in the form of f dash by f. This is ln of f. So I have written e power ln 2x square plus 1 divided by x square, which is y1 square. So here also it is in the form of e power ln of something. So we can interchange this. So 2x square plus 1 power ln e. ln e is 1, so I skip that one. So 2x square plus 1 by x square, that is, we can write is 2x square by x square gets cancelled, plus 1 by x square. So here y2 will be y1 of integration u of x dx. y1, what is our integration u of x? 2 plus 1 by x square dx. So x into 2 means 2 dx, that is 2x. Integration of 1 by x square is minus 1 by x. So we simplify, it becomes 2x square minus 1. So the solution is y is equal to c1y1 plus c2y2. c1 which has given in the problem x, which we found just now, 2x square minus 1. Okay, and we move to the next problem, which is slightly different from previous. We don't use formula here. We use the logic which we used to derive the reduction of order method. Okay, so given y is equal to x is a solution of x square y double dash plus xy dash minus y is equal to 0, then find the general solution to the same homogeneous, but here the part is x. Here it is a homogeneous differential equation, but here we have q of x is equal to x. Okay, the same concept here, but we don't use the formula. We use the only concept which we derived to find the y2 of x. Okay, so here let y2 of x, what I am assuming, y1 of x into integration of u of x. That is, what is our y1 of x? X integration, just I am writing u instead of u of x, u into dx. Now what we will do means we will substitute this y2 of x into the equation 1. That means for which we are going to find the general equation. So if we substitute this one, we need y dash and y double dash. Okay, so now I am finding y2 dash. y2 dash means it is in the term of product. Okay, the product rule we have to apply. So x differentiation of integration, it will be the same value u, plus differentiation of x is 1 and integration u dx as it is. Next, y2 double dash. Again, one more time we have to differentiate this one. So here x into u dash plus differentiation of x is 1, u as it is, plus here differentiation of integration of u dx. It becomes u only because of and integration and differentiation of both are inverse functions. So it becomes x u dash, u plus u becomes 2u. Okay, so substitute all these values y2, y2 dash, y2 double dash in equation 1, that is here, for which we are going to find the differential solution. Okay, so x square into y2 dash value plus x into y dash value minus x into y value is equal to x. So x into, now we are simplifying, x square into x is x cube, u dash plus 2u x square plus x square u plus x into integration u dx minus x into integration u dx is equal to x. Here both are opposite signs, x into integration u dx, this gets cancelled. So here I am writing in terms of u dash, I am dividing with x cube, u dash plus 3x square, sorry, here 2x square u and x square u, it becomes 3x square. Again I am dividing with x cube, u plus right term x by x cube. So the u dash plus here x square by x cube is there. So leftover term is 3 by x into u is equal to 1 by x square. Carefully observe this one. This is linear differential equation in terms of u. Generally, you might be done linear differential equation in terms of y. Here, just the dependent variable is different. That's it. The same procedure we have to follow. For that one, what is the integrating factor? Means integration e power coefficient of u, that is 3 by x dx. So e power 3 outside, integration of 1 by x is ln of x. So this becomes e power ln x cube. So we can write it as x cube. Okay. The general solution for this one is u into integration factor is equal to integration of integration factor into 1 by x square dx. What is 1 by x square means? Here the q value. Here 1 by x square, right side value. So it becomes u into x cube is equal to integrating factor is x cube into 1 by x square dx. So if we get cancelled, the term is integration x. If you simplify this one, it becomes x square by 2 plus c. So this is the value of ux cube. So if I get the u value, if I solve for u value divided with x cube, x square by 2x cube plus c by x cube. If you simplify the first term, it becomes 1 by 2x plus c by x cube. Actually, this is u value, not in y2 value. So y2 value becomes y2 is equal to y1 of x into integration u of x dx. X integration u of x means 1 by 2x plus c by x cube. So x into integration of this one become 1 by 2, 1 by x will be ln of x minus cx cube. The integration of x cube will be minus 1 by 2x square plus c2. We have done the integration, that's why we have written here c2. So if we simplify this one, it becomes y2 will be x by 2 ln of x minus c by 2x plus c2 of x. This is the solution for the here. What he has asked to find the general solution for this x square y double dash plus xy dash minus y is equal to x.